Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a traditional Haitian spaghetti. Yes, so right here I have all my ingredients. So Haitians, we do love to make recipes with our most famous epis, which I'm going to show you guys how we incorporate this. We do pride ourselves on using fresh vegetables in all of our recipes, so I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into it. So starting heating up my pot, I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil, just about a half cup, and we are gonna fry the epis and the tomato paste together. Then our tomato paste. This can be a one pot meal, so you can throw everything in at once if you prefer. I want the tomato paste to actually break down. Now we can move on and add in our vegetables. Just a tad bit of water. This is gonna help everything blend in together and just create a little bit of steam so it can cook down. Add in the turkey. And just remember, just keeping an eye on it. You can continue to add water if it's not enough, because this is pretty much gonna be our sauce for the pasta. I have some chicken bouillon. I'm adding right in there just for flavor. And I'm also going to add that scotch bonnet pepper that I left out. As you can see, I did stick some cloves inside. That is gonna help for all the flavors to combine into one. So do not skip this step. We have a scotch bonnet pepper, and now we can add in our herring fish. Let's go ahead and cover it and let it continue finish cooking. Okay. Because we already have liquid in here, I'm gonna remove my pasta and add it right into our vegetables, our fish, and all that good stuff. Go ahead and blend everything together. So by the time this is done, all of the sauce and the vegetables should be cooked down into the pasta. So I made a little bit more tomato sauce. If you want to see how I made this, you can check on my website at www.letsEatdailymeals.com. I'm just going to add half of this in there just for color. And at this point, you can turn down your stove or you can turn it off. The pasta is done. As you can see, this is an easy recipe that we love. This is how you make the amazing Haitian spaghetti.